Hi, this is Art Draw. Today we're going to try and draw a ghost. Let's get in there, do a simple ghost. So it's going to go to the top here. Let's draw a nice curve around the top. So a nice kind of curve first of all. Let's just continue this curve. So this side, I'm going to bring my pen down like that, curve it out at the end. Let's add another little line there. And then just curve that around here. Now I've got that and this little piece here. Go around there. Then I'm gonna just bring this point up and I'm gonna come out and curve around the corner there. This part here, I'm just gonna sort of leave a gap there. Draw up to there. And then I'm gonna bring my pen down, just bring it out to the edge. Like that. This side, I'm gonna bring my pen out there, just curve it around. Just got another little piece there. Let's just add a bit there as well. Just join it up, that little curve there. So we've got a nice complete line. And let's pop a couple of eyes in. So we're gonna do a nice oblong here, and a nice oblong on that side. And let's give him a nice sort of little spooky, like, ooh, like a little O there. Okay, now I've got that in. Just gonna go around my picture. Just mark the outer part of it. So just block around it so we've got a little bit more chunky edge. And then let's fill in the gaps here. Under there. And then I'm just going to pop some little sort of cross-hatching areas on the right hand side there. Just give it a cool little kind of comic-y effect. Sort of a couple of little lines in that area there, sort of just show the crease. Maybe we're just gonna pop it up a little bit there. Then in here, just a few little lines there, maybe a few going up that way too. Let's just then pop a little line up to make him look a little bit surprised on his eyes. Go up there. Maybe we'll just draw a little curve in there, just give him a bit of character. And I'm just going to grab myself a bit of a sort of grey-blue colour. Just going to edge in on the corners there. Just give him a bit of shading in here. Maybe just around the mouth, maybe just around those eye areas there. Maybe just bring that pen up a bit. Maybe just mark it out a bit more. Just there. And then it's floating around in the air, so let's pop a little sort of shadow in the bottom there. And there we go. That is a simple ghost on Art Draw. Thanks for watching.